CP Yogeshwara, a seasoned political figure in Karnataka, has formally announced his decision to join the Congress party after resigning from the BJP. With over 2 decades of political experience, he has served 5 terms as a member of the Legislative Assembly and held key ministerial positions including Minister for Tourism, Environment and Ecology from January to July 2021. His leadership has significantly weakened rival parties' political strongholds, particularly within the Okkaliga community. Yogeshwara's request for unconditional admission into the Congress reflects his commitment to community development and belief that his experience will enhance the party's dynamics. This move comes as he collaborates with Karnataka Congress President D.K. Shivkumar to challenge Union Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy in the upcoming Channapatna Assembly by-election. Their alliance, despite their previous rivalry, showcases a strategic partnership against a common adversary. Shivkumar welcomed Yogeshwara back to the Congress, emphasizing the need for adaptability in politics. Yogeshwara's political journey began as an independent candidate in 1999, later winning seats with the Congress before moving to the BJP in 2011. His significant victories include defeating Anita Kumaraswamy, but he faced setbacks, notably losing to Kumaraswamy in the recent elections. Yogeshwara's strong voter base of approximately 40,000 to 45,000 votes in Channapatna makes him a valuable asset for the Congress, particularly in the context of the Bengaluru rural Lok Sabha seat. Kumaraswamy remains confident about the upcoming elections, although his party has yet to finalize a candidate to oppose Yogeshwara. Speculation includes potential candidates such as Anita Kumaraswamy and his sister Anusuya. In contrast, some BJP leaders, including R. Ashoka, have criticized Yogeshwara's decision to join the Congress, arguing that he has compromised his political future. They suggest that his previous seniority within the BJP will not grant him influence in the Congress.